press her breast. So first, when the patient came to the doctor has used his stethoscope to first check the patient. And when you go to the hospital also, when you tell your concerns, doctor, in order to check you, they use the stethoscopes. Okay, so same way here also the doctor used the stethoscope first, and then only after all the procedures only he used his arms to see what is the condition inside, and he also has seen the X-ray scans or what the patient has brought towards him. After seeing only he has examined the patient. So what you can arrive is that they cannot find any sexual intentions or any sort of sexual drive here. So, after checking all the scenarios and all the sort of things, the court observes Section 41 of the POCSO Act, which gives immunity to medical examinations or medical treatment from being criminalized under POCSO when it is done with the consent of parent or guardian. Here also you are seeing that the parents have given consent to the medical practitioner or the doctor for examining their child. Then only the doctor can understand what the patient is going through. So they have already given the consent to examine. So this is a sort of immunity for the doctors, for the medical examiners in this POCSO case. So in this case, the court held that the examination was held with the consent of the mother or the elder sister, and seeing all the observations and further proceedings against the doctor, the case was quashed so that there was no other proceedings further and the doctor was freed. So here also you can see that when this is a protection for the doctors or the medical practitioners, when the POCSO cases comes up, a medical procedure, immunity of medical procedures performed with parental consent. They have to examine, the doctor has to examine the patient or the child to in order to understand what the patient has gone through in the POCSO cases, right? So in order to understand, they have to examine. So they have to go some deeper into the examination. So the parents has to undergo consent also. So in order to prove the guilt of the other person. So here the examination was in front of the mother and the sister, and there you cannot find any sort of sexual drive or sexual concern or anything was cannot be found, or it's a zero, that you cannot even think of that situation. The doctor is examining the patient in front of them, and the court quashed the case. That's all. Thank you so much.